Do not use your old usual razor. Instead, get yourself a razor which is specifically designed for the delicate peach fuzz. And with that, I welcome you back to the Chosen Store's YouTube channel. Let me introduce you to one of my recent purchases from the Chosen Store, and it is the Wahl Clean and Confident Trimmer. Now this helps you shape your eyebrows, removes facial hair, trims bikini line, and of course helps you get rid of that peach fuzz as well. The best part is that the battery is already included inside the packaging, and of course it is quick, easy and pain-free. Well, I'm going to be trying it for the first time, so we will be putting this to test. And it is priced at rupees 895. Well, I can't wait to try out this product. It's now time to unbox this product. Let's see what's inside. So as you can see, this comes with a 2-position eyebrow combo. The blades are rinsable, so that takes away all the hygiene concerns that one would have. It is portable and extremely easy to use. Like I mentioned earlier, it comes with a battery. So that is a big plus. One of the biggest benefits of face shaving is that it makes the makeup application more smooth. It leaves your skin looking fresh and bright. Of course, shaving ensures that you don't have to go through those painful sessions of waxing and threading, and it is definitely a much more cheaper option than waxing. Here are a few things you should keep in mind before you start with your shaving process. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Shave your face in the same direction of hair growth to keep the skin irritation at minimum. Now that we've discussed the benefits and technique of how to go about shaving your face, why don't you give this product a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Chosen Store's YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.